Hi everybody, let me show you what I got going on today. Got this USB, which I've kind of recovered already. So I'm going to show you what happened with that USB. This is the case for it. So it came in this case. So it wasn't readable. Took it out of the case and basically it was broken. This is the original tip. And then as you can see there, that is the bottom base. So what I initially tried to do is, since this was broken, I initially tried to get these 4 contacts and basically solder them on those 4 points. But it did not work. Probably had a bad contact either here, either these were not going through all the way, or on the other side. So I found another USB that I had here, that matched up the 4 legs. So if you see that there, it matched up the 4 little legs. Basically it was, came off of here. So I had to rip it off of here. Not rip it off of here, desolder it from here. Which was a good USB. It was an old USB. And yeah, resoldered it there. Basically just to get the data. So when I saw that little red light come on, I'm like, bingo. Data. This is some old data, very small data, but some important data. So this week I've had USBs come in, hard drives. Keep in mind, if you're using your USB, it should be a backup, a copy. If you're using an external hard drive, it should be a backup, a copy. Don't use it as your primary source. These USBs, well, this one is very, very old. So what happened is, it kind of broke all the connections there. Basically, it broke off over time. But with the hard drives, I mean, they one of them that I had just got totally corrupted, unreadable. Was able to recover that. And I had another one, a Western Digital 3 terabyte that had internal hardware problems. Could not recover that one, so I referred that one out to hardware specialists. So just thought I'd share with you a little USB action. That's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.